Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To change your ADT sensor battery, follow these steps. 1. Identify your sensor type to ensure you purchase the correct replacement battery. 2. Disarm your system to prevent any alarms during the process. 3. Locate the sensor's battery compartment, which might involve sliding, twisting, or unscrewing a cover. 4. Replace the old battery with the new one, observing polarity. 5. Close the compartment securely. 6. Arm your system and test the sensor to confirm it's working properly. Always refer to your specific model's manual for detailed instructions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.